Yes,
50 out of 50, yes? Right, are we ready, yes?
Yes.
Let's go.
You all right, Ken?
Yeah,
Chisel huddle.
fine.
You OK, Kenny?
OK, Judith.
Yes, thank you.
We starting to slice, guys. Right, time for dessert. Rosewater cream with puff pastry biscuits filled with pistachio and raisins. First thing, cream. Whisk. Ice and sugar. Creme fraiche. Rose water. 1 cup. 2 cups. Mix that up. Just hanging off. Little taste. Get your spoon, curl on. Strawberries. Rose petals. They're just dipped in egg white, sprinkled with sugar, and allowed to dry overnight. Into the fridge to set. Biscuits. Crush your nuts. Bash. Pistachios. Nice. Raisins. Mix. Puff pastry. Butter. Cinnamon. And then sprinkle generously. Honey. Brown sugar. Cinnamon. Roll. Nice and tight. Chill. Slice. Butter. Ice and sugar. 10 minutes, 200 degrees. Absolutely beautiful. Rosewater cream with raisins and pistachio biscuits. Done. So, we need 100 biscuits in, yes? Kenny?
Yeah.
Yours aren't even cooked yet and they look like a pile of shit. What have you
I
done?
know.
That roll looks too soft.
Is it not worth persevering with them?
Let's have a look.
Biscuits as well,
Yeah, that is shit.
I'm
Good.
just going to have another go.
Another tray.
Well, I've got 3 trays
Nice.
now.
Good.
Well done, Wendy. Put me 3 trays in. Go, girl. Come on, Kenny, get one in.
Come on, Kenny.
Get one in. Guys, be careful your biscuits, yes? If they start burning, we're going to start again. They're nice.
I can't taste
Keep
the
an eye on
rose
them.
water.
OK, put more in then.
They look
Okay.
like they're ready, though.
Let's go. They're ready. Get them out. So, here we go.
Biscuits.
Is it true you're about to buy your daughter a puppy? Are you mad?
We've already got one dog.
Right,
She wants
honestly,
another.
isn't Kenny enough? Holy
Leave
mackerel.
it.
He's the one who looks after
That's
it, though,
just
so that's all right.
rude.
Just 4 and 4. After that, it's a 6. Taste, taste, taste. Spoon ready. Kenny,
Even.
the lights are on, but have you come home yet?
You want a spoon?
Happy?
One more.
Lovely. How old are you?
42.
Christ almighty, that's amazing. You see, here's the thing. You're actually older than Wendy, and you look like Wendy's toy boy.
I know.
How do you manage that?
It's years of just smiling when you don't need to.
6 now.
See, you've done too little smiling.
I've done 2 little smile. Thanks for the lecture. You've done 2 little work. Go. Well done, Kenny! He's back! He's back!
I can go and have a lie down now.
I can go.